were going to start the chapter, the nationalist movement 1870 to 1947, isn't it? So this date, you must remember that why this date has been focused. Until now, nowadays the dates are not coming, but the dates are very, very great importance. कि उस year में क्या हुआ था. For example, if you will think about this 2020, this 2020 has a great importance. And I think so, as children, you are as a school student of class 8, and when you were there in 2030, आपको ये 2020 remember रहने वाले हैं, isn't it?
Yes,
Now you've got the meaning of why dates and years are important. Why dates and years are important for everyone. Yes. So in the same way, I'm telling you, these dates from 1870 to 1947 has a very great importance for the nationalist movement in India. Got it, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This
Yes,
specific years has a very great importance in our Indian history, and that too in our modern history. As we have studied, the rule of East India Company ended with the Queen Victoria. As in 1858, the Queen Victoria came into rule for India, and the East India Company was ended. And you can say this was the result of revolt of 1857. 1857 के रिजल्ट में सबसे बड़ा रिजल्ट यही था कि क्वीन विक्टोरिया केम इनटू रूल एंड ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वाज एंडेड. रिमेंबर ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस मैम.
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
लोगों को याद होगा
Yes, ma'am.
1857 का जो रिजल्ट था, उसमें सबसे बड़ा रिजल्ट यही था कि द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वाज एंडेड and Queen Victoria came to in rule in 1858. Isn't it? So what we have seen, when the Queen Victoria proclamation came in November 1st, 1858, and coincidentally, today is November 1st, no, December 1st.
December 1.
December 1. अगर November 1st में हम लोग चैप्टर स्टार्ट करते तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना. हम लोग तो अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे भी बनाने लगे हैं. अब धीरे धीरे बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंस हम लोग को खुद से पता चलने लगेंगे. फिर एक समय में ना विल आल्सो कंसीडर द 2020 एज ए ब्लैक ईयर. 2020 एज ए ब्लैक ईयर फॉर द होल वर्ल्ड. फॉर द होल वर्ल्ड वी कैन से. मैंने अभी भविष्यवाणी कर दी है, पता नहीं आगे जाके क्या होगा 2020 का. ठीक है, भविष्यवाणी तो मैंने अभी, हाँ मैंने अभी छोटा सा भविष्यवाणी कर दिया, मेरे मन में आया तो कि इट्स अ ब्लैक ईयर फॉर द होल वर्ल्ड. The global world, the economy, everything was vanished, isn't it? So for the student like you, very small student for me, and whenever I watch the face, I really feel very eager to see you all. Okay. The governance now came into the hands of the British government in 1858, but the people of India still did not have any say in the government or in the formulation of the policies. The resentment suffered in the form of different rebellion, and subsequently later it gave rise to the birth of Indian nationalist movement. क्या हुआ? जो भी क्वीन विक्टोरिया का इंडिया में आया और ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट has the government of India in their hand. I mean, not government of India, it was the British government already. There was no such government of India. And people, they were knowing that we are under the British government, but they did not said anything. They did not said anything. They simply thought that as so many kings were ruling in our country, at the same time, the Britishers are also ruling in our country. है ना. हम देख रहे हैं ना कि भारत देश में तो सदियों से कुछ राजाएं लोग रूल करते आ रहे हैं. हमारा आपने पढ़ा होगा सल्तनत काल, स्लेव डायनेस्टीज. आपने पढ़ा होगा मौर्यंस के बारे में पढ़ा है. आपने मुगलों के बारे में पढ़ा है. हाँ, मुगलों के बारे में पढ़ा है ना. मौर्य और अशोका का तो छोड़ दीजिए, फिर अब मुगलों के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. और किस प्रकार हमारे बहादुर शाह जफर को, अंतिम मुगल बादशाह को जो 72 साल के थे, उनको रंगून जाने के लिए मजबूर किया इन ब्रिटिशर्स लोग ने. तो हमने ये भी देखा कि हमारा मुगल which was ruling in our country was also destroyed by the British East India Company. These all things were looked after by the Indian people. And And at the same time, we also saw the British government ruling our country. But we did not said anything. हमने कुछ भी नहीं कहा. ठीक है, मगर हुआ क्या? Why then this nationalist movement? क्यों ये राष्ट्रीय आंदोलन हुआ या हुआ होगा? Why this nationalist movement? You know, I'll tell you. The people were not happy around the country. लोग खुश नहीं थे कुछ जगह पे. शुरुआती दौर में, in the starting, people were happy to do work in the industries. People were happy by earning in the farmlands. People were happy by doing small cottage industries and whatever the things were allowed by the British government, by the East India Company. They were forced. Have you seen they were forced to do the cash crops?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen that they have been also sent to the tea gardens, coffee plants, and for the lumbering business in the forest and the industries, and many of the places we have seen, they have been bounded by the British government in every sphere of life, isn't it? And they were not having their own rights that how to lead a life, even a simple life. Their cottage industries were destroyed. Their small scale industries were destroyed. Hand weaving were destroyed. The hand weaving has been taken the part of industries. Have you seen all such stories? And you have also read about such things. So what was this? People were not happy, actually, isn't it? In many of the sphere, people were not happy and they were suffering from it. The resentment has suffered from different rebellion and subsequently. मतलब ये छोटे विद्रोह के रूप में उभर के सामने आ रहे थे क्योंकि लोग सफर कर रहे थे. अब आप खुद सोचिए, have you seen indigo, growing of indigo, opium? What is the use of indigo and opium for Indians? Why?
Ma'am, indigo से ma'am coloring होता था.
Coloring होता था.
Ma'am, indigo
No, I am talking for the Indians. No, for Indians. What was the
No,
use
ma'am,
of
that was
Indian?
not used.
No. Opium?
Not used,
Ma'am.
Not
not in use.
okay.
It's also not in use.
Okay. And that time we were not also so much global that we will do trade for this. हम लोग उस वक्त इतने ग्लोबल नहीं थे कि हम लोग अपने रॉ मटेरियल्स को दूसरे कंट्री में भेजेंगे और उससे ट्रेड का अर्निंग करेंगे. नहीं, हमारे पास उतना हम ना साधन था और ना हमारी सोच उतनी बड़ी थी कि we will do such type of trading, isn't it? But these all things were done by the British government and the East India Company through the ports. पोर्ट के द्वारा, तटीय बंदरगाह के द्वारा वे लोग रॉ मटेरियल्स को भारत से दूसरी जगह भेजने लगे, है ना? हर चीजों को, रॉ मटेरियल्स को वे लोग भेजे, चाहे वो मिनरल हो, एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज के प्रोडक्ट हो, कॉटन हो, ओपियम हो, इंडिगो हो, all the things they used to export from India. So what was the benefit for the Indian farmer and the industrial farmer, worker, laborer? Tell me, is there any benefit for them?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
So these
They were treated.
They were treated as a slave.
And they were exploited.
They were exploited. तो ये जो छोटे छोटे तकलीफें है ना, ये एक विद्रोह का रूप लेने लगा day by day. These all took as a form of rebellion subsequently, day by day, and later on it gave birth to the Indian nationalist movement. है ना? तो ये जितने भी जो rebellion, विद्रोह जो छोटे छोटे होते जा रहे थे, ये एक बहुत बड़ा रूप ले लिया. अब वो nationalist movement का रूप ले लिया. राष्ट्रीय विद्रोह मतलब राष्ट्र के लिए एक मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया उन्होंने, और उन्होंने राष्ट्र लेवल पर, एक कंट्री लेवल पर मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया. और हर जगह पे आपने क्या, what you have seen in 1857 revolt? Why the 1857 revolt was occurred? Tell me first. And it was also named as the first war of independence. It was considered as the first war of
Because the
independence.
people of India do not
Ma'am,
like the
because the feeling of nationality
England
comes in
to
the
rule here.
heart of people of India. Ma'am, and many rulers have their own issues to fight against
But
British.
now you tell me, what was the reason for it? Farmers were unhappy, laborers were unhappy, kings were unhappy, common peoples were unhappy, soldiers were unhappy because they were getting less.
Farmers unhappy थे क्योंकि उनको मैम उनके मन पसंदीदा क्रॉप्स को उगाने का मैम राइट नहीं था, उनको कमर्शियल क्रॉप जैसे इंडिगो, ओपियम वगैरह उगाने के लिए फोर्स किया जाता था। और मैम
और उसके लिए भी उसको करेक्ट
अनहैप्पी
वैल्यू,
थे,
प्राइस वैल्यू नहीं मिलती
Yes,
थी।
मैम
ma'am.
अनहैप्पी थे
हाँ
क्योंकि उनको
so this हाँ
एनेक्सेशन पॉलिसी डेलहौजी का मैम उससे अनहैप्पी थे। और मैम धीरे धीरे एनेक्सेशन पॉलिसी के अंदर अगर कोई राजा के हायर नहीं होता था और अगर वो किसी को अडॉप्ट करना चाहता था तो वो डायरेक्ट वो किंगडम ब्रिटिशर्स के हैंड्स में चला जाता था।
so what about the common people, what about the common people, why they were unhappy?
मैम उनके साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता था, रिलीजियस
Yes,
रिलीजियस प्रॉब्लम था।
मैम कास्ट।
okay हाँ many of the such things
मैम
were there.
टैक्स की वजह से भी।
Okay, now tell me, this was the rebellion done by the Indian people, and it has been given result for the revolt of 1857. But do you think that they have achieved their points? They have achieved their problem has been solved?
No,
At
ma'am.
few extent it was solved. At few
Yes,
extent
ma'am.
it was solved, isn't it? But
Ma'am,
day
जैसे
by
कि बारे
day,
Yes, ma'am.
day by day, but what the Britishers were very clever. What they thought that why this 1857 revolt occurred. They thought why this 1857 revolt occurred, and they sent a team to the East India Company to look after the things. And there were certain disturbance were occurred in this East India Company, and the East India Company was stopped, not stopped. Their rule has been taken by the Queen Victoria. है ना, वो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का जो सत्ता भारत पे था उसको खत्म करके हमारे ये इसको ले लिया गया, क्या कहते क्वीन विक्टोरिया ने सारे हमारे चीजों को अपने हाथ में ले लिया। तो ये चीजें थी कि चीजें कितनी जल्दी सॉल्व नहीं हुई, बल्कि उसको और भी पुख्ता कर दिया गया, और भी ज्यादा मुहर लगा दिया गया कि अब ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट जो है हमारे देश को देखेंगे ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ने, क्योंकि ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी में कुछ गड़बड़ियां आ गई, वो हमने पढ़ा था, है ना, बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स उसमें अकर हो गए थे। Now you see many political associations were formed to express the problems of Indian, but they were restricted to some parts of India. For example, in 1876, Surendranath Banerjee established the Indian Association in Calcutta. Now you will see that what these common people were doing, and there were also some educated people. Have you seen the English education? आपने पढ़ा ना इंग्लिश एजुकेशन के बारे में, यूनिवर्सिटीज बनाए गए थे और उसमें इंडियंस लोग भी पढ़ते थे। तो जो भी एजुकेटेड इंडियंस जो थे, they took some initiative. Then only this nationalist movement came, among which I've also discussed about the educated Indians. Who were the educated Indians of that time? Tell me.
मैम रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर
जवाहरलाल नेहरू।
Okay, we will talk about Surendranath Banerjee. We'll talk about the Surendranath Banerjee. So not only Surendranath Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee has established a Indian Association in Calcutta. In the same way, that time the small political party has been arose. There was no certain name, but it was led by some educated Indian people. कोई अलग से नाम नहीं दिया गया था कोई political party का, मगर लोग एक गुट बनाते थे, है ना, जो भी पढ़े लिखे लोग थे वो अपने अपने क्षेत्र में लोगों के प्रॉब्लम्स को सुनते थे। आप खुद समझिए, you just realize if you are educated and if the some mishappenings will be occurred, कहीं पर भी कोई अगर अनपढ़ लोग अगर होंगे या जो गरीब लोग होंगे या वो आपके अगर मोहल्ले में रहते होंगे और अगर उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा और बहुत ज्यादा उन लोगों में मारकाट या कोई भी चीज का प्रॉब्लम होगा, चलो उनको सरकार को कुछ एप्लीकेशन लिख के देना होगा, तो वो किसका हेल्प लेंगे? एजुकेटेड लोग का हेल्प लेंगे।
यस मैम,
बोलिए। हाँ, या एजुकेटेड लोग अगर चलो उन लोगों ने हेल्प नहीं लिया, मगर कोई एजुकेटेड लोग अगर आपके पास में रह रहे हैं, उन लोगों के जो अनपढ़ लोग हैं तो उन लोगों को जो देखते रहोगे आप, तो जो पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं वो उनको कहीं ना कहीं तो लगेगा ना कि मुझे इन लोग का हेल्प करना चाहिए। तो आप जाकर के उससे पूछोगे कि भाई आप लोगों को क्या तकलीफें हैं, आप लोगों को क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, उस प्रॉब्लम को आप सॉल्व करोगे। बीइंग एज ए एजुकेटेड आई एम टेलिंग यू, एंड इफ education is really it's working or then. If it's not working, you can't help them. है ना? So in the same way, the things happen. जो भी educated लोग थे, उन्होंने ये बेड़ा उठाया कि वो अपने अपने जगह के लोगों का problems को सुनने लगे और समझने लगे और उन्होंने कहा एसोसिएशन बनाने लगे. क्या बनाने लगे? They started making small political association.
Association.
But you know this was not working anymore. ये एसोसिएशन से काम नहीं चल रहा था. अब यहाँ पर क्या हुआ कि if the Britishers were there in India, you can think that they rule our country for 200 years. How many years?
200 years.
200 years. 200 years. In that 200 years, if some Britishers who were staying here, they were given birth to a new child and they were staying here, they have got settled down here. So do you think they must be having some feelings for the Indians? They must be having some feelings for the Indians?
Yes, ma'am.
Few ones, not all, few ones.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you give me the any one of the example of such Britishers who is still having there in our country and they have got settled down here. Any Anglo-Indian? Do you remember? In political, in Indian cinema, or in a common person, or in a job, or anywhere. You have any such examples?
Ma'am, Kamala Harris.
Ma'am, Ruskin Bond.
Where he is?
मैम उत्तर प्रदेश से थे मैम.
अच्छा, okay, listen. Okay, I'll tell you. There are many examples in our India that the Britishers in this 200 years, if they have got born here and if they have got settled here, so they are still here, isn't it? If they made their own houses and also they have a feelings for the Indians. So in the same way, we will see the formation of Indian National Congress, INC. What is the full form of INC?
Indian National Congress.
Indian National Congress.
Indian National Congress. You know, this INC was formed when and by whose help? We'll see it. आप जब अभी पढ़ोगे तो आपको बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. The formation of Indian National Congress, INC, the Indian National Congress, it is the oldest political party and it still it is existing. The Indian National Congress was formed in December 1885. It was formed in December
1885.
By A.O. Hume. By A.O. Hume, isn't it? He was a retired British official. A.O. Hume was a retired British official. You can see the photo. You can see the photo of Alan Octavian Hume. Alan Octavian Hume. See the picture of Alan Octavian Hume. Can you see the picture photo?
Yes,
Who was he? He was a retired British official. Hannah, isn't it? He was a retired British official and he only formed the Indian National Congress in December 1885. I don't know the date of, in December because the month is running. The December month is running. And don't feel like that. The birthday month is also very much important for anyone. And the event of a particular month is also very much important. They started planning that in this month we are having birthday, so we will plan. For example, Christmas is there on 25th December. So still we have this thing in mind that Santa Claus will be coming around and we will be having the jingle bell around the, us. So such plannings are there. I know you are not saying it, but I can guess.
मैम 28 दिसंबर को इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस बना था.
So nice of you. So nice of you. So 28 December 1885, the Indian National Congress are formed. और हम लोग इस चीज को जाने बहुत अच्छी बात है. और आपने ये बात बताया गूगल करके, ये और भी बढ़िया बात है. ठीक है, तो ये दिसंबर का ही महीना था. हमारा दिसंबर का महीना चल रहा है और हम लोग इस चीज को देखेंगे. He was a retired British official. So thanks to A.O. Hume. Alan Octavian Hume. Are you feeling thanks for Alan Octavian Hume?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Lot.
Yes, really, yes, or Amrita is not happy.
No, ma'am.
You're
So
not
much.
saying.
Thank you. So much.
So much
Thank
thank
you.
you. So he was supported by 72 educated Indian. So A.O. Hume was supported by 72 educated Indians delegate from different regions of the country. हमारे देश के विभिन्न प्रांतों से 72 educated लोगों ने A.O. Hume का support किया. They have supported the A.O. Hume, and the first meeting of the Indian National Congress took place in Bombay. Where is it took place? The first meeting?
Bombay.
In Bombay.
Bombay.
Under
yes.
the president, under the presidentship of W.C. Banerjee, Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Pic you can see.
Yes,
He was
ma'am.
under the presidency of the greatest. Who was he? Just find out. Okay, not now. You will having some at least 4 to 5 lines you can say about W.C. Banerjee, and you can say about Alan Octavian Hume. Who were they? You must say about them.
Okay.
He was got the presidency of our Indian National Congress at those days, and we were having the first meeting under the presidency of W.C. Banerjee, and it took place in Bombay, isn't it? So gradually the Congress became the backbone of the national movement. So our national movement was having the Congress as a backbone. Congress as a रीढ़ की हड्डी. बैकबोन मतलब क्या है?
बैकबोन.
हाँ, हमारा बैकबोन था कांग्रेस नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट के लिए फ्रॉम 1885 टू 1947. डेट देखो कब से कब तक है.
Yes, ma'am. 1885 to 19.
जल्दी देख लो, otherwise I will say 2020 will the corona year will go from 2021, then you will cry. Please look after the date. Look after that. It is mandatory. So you should not go for 2021. The month is going to end. 2020, the month is going to end. And we started the corona in the month of 2019 from the March. Board examination. 2019 to 2020 December is going on. You're not counting the months. Where are you, my students? You are history children. History student, you must see the dates, years. Why they are important? Only your birthday and cakes and balloons I can remember. I'm going to build you it. I know you all are very clever.
मैम 2019 में नवंबर में फर्स्ट केस आया था कोरोना का वुहान में चाइना में.
हाँ, और हमारा अभी ये हमारा बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन इफेक्ट हुआ था, इसलिए हम लोग को याद है ड्यूटी बंद हो गई थी मेरी. तो मैं तो वहीं तक रह जाती थी. ठीक ना.
मैम हम लोग का 14 मार्च को बंद हो गया था लॉकडाउन. मतलब लोग स्कूल जाना
लॉकडाउन 14 मार्च से लग गया था.
मैम मैथ्स का एग्जाम दे के घर में बैठे थे.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just find out about the W.C. Banerjee. He was the president of Indian National Congress at that time in the first meeting. So gradually the Congress became the backbone of the national movement 1885 to 1947. The early phase of Congress was influenced by the leader who were referred as a moderate. Moderate आपने देखा ना, weather से related एक बड़े moderate मतलब क्या होता है?
Normal.
Normal, very good word you have given the meaning. See, if you are getting 78 marks out of 80 in English, you must get 79 in SST. I want 1 mark extra if you know the meaning in such a nice way, isn't it? Yeah. So see, moderate means normal people. They were ना तो उन लोग ज़्यादा aggressive होते थे, ना बहुत ज़्यादा cool थे, normal थे. ठीक है. The early phase of the Congress was influenced by the leader who were referred as a moderate. अब हमको देखना है कि in 1885 to 1905 तक ये moderate रहे. ये पार्टी में, कांग्रेस पार्टी में जितने लोग भी थे ना, वो 1905 तक moderate रहे. अब इन्हीं में से कुछ लोग moderate नहीं रहे. अब वो कौन है भाई? मैं can I see the face? Those who are still moderate, है ना? So like this, they adopted the moderate way to pursue the goals, and their main demands were like this. The moderates had complete faith in the British. Why they were moderate, you know? Why these Congress people were moderate? Because they were having complete faith in British. Because they were having complete faith in
British.
British. Why not? Why not? Because the initiative was taken by A.O. Hume. To formation of the English National INC was done by the retired British officer. So they were having complete faith on the British government. वो देखा कि उन्होंने कि भाई हमारा कांग्रेस का स्थापना करने वाले रिटायर्ड ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल है, तो हम क्यों ना इनके ऊपर फेथ करें। तो ये मॉडरेट लोगों ने कहा कि भाई हमें तो